Ever come across an amazing Instagram reel or picture and wished you could save it to your device? Well, good news, you can. And in this video, I'll show you how to do it in just a few clicks using a website called Igram.io. Step 1. Open Instagram on your phone or computer and find the photo, reel, or video you want to download. Step 2. Tap on the three dots at the top right of the post and select Copy Link. If you're on a computer, just copy the URL from the address bar. If you're on your smartphone, tap on the Share button and select Copy Link. Step 3. Now open your web browser and go to https://igram.world. Step 4. You'll see a box that says, Paste Instagram link here. Paste the link you just copied into that box. Step 5. Click on the download button, wait a few seconds, and boom. You'll see download options for photos, videos, or reels. Step 6. Just tap Download. MP4 for videos, or download JPG for images. Your file will start downloading instantly to your device. And that's it. Simple, right? Now you can easily download your favorite Instagram photos and videos in just a few steps. Remember, always download only public content, and respect copyright rules. Igram is a tool for saving media for personal use, not for reposting without permission. If you found this helpful, drop a like, share it with your friends, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching.